already a slave to his chick, so she paid the bills.
Yeah.
But, you know how they'll be, you know what I mean? Like, just acting all weird on the phone, you know?
I like Twin Peaks now, dude.
Oh yeah, you like it now?
Yeah.
I like the venison chili bowl.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I like the environment. I think it's alright. It ain't too bad or whatever.
Oh, we'll have to go sometime.
Yeah, hell yeah.
I'm down to go. Say what's up. Open Duco and see if we can sneak him in his little...
yeah, we can for sure.
We'll sneak him in his little bag that I have. That it looks just like a regular bag.
Sick.
And then, so once he's in, he's just such a good boy that, like, dude, nobody ever wants Duco not to be there. Like, it doesn't matter about the rules. When you see little Duco, you let him just be. Thank you, Lord, for this appointment, Lord. You have made with me and TJ, Lord. Thank you for making it holy.
Yeah, that was a cool girl. Yeah.
Because my hair is holy.
Yeah, the hair looks cool, dude.
And I don't really let no one touch my hair anymore. You know,
And I'm being very fucking mindful of it.
You're doing a
Barely
great-
touching it too.
You're doing a great job.
Yeah, just making sure that you do it. Watch, you'll see.
God told me, bro. God told me. I gave you this hair. You don't got one fucking gray hair yet, Diego.
Jeez.
Do you think that's because of you or your genetics? No, that's because of me. Grow your hair out, you dummy.
It looks good.
And like, think about it. How many men my age are going bald or are already bald? You know? So like, I gotta be grateful, right?
May as well just put it out and show it.
I never grew it till now, and now I love it. I feel like a lion.
Guys, they're all brand new. Which razor do we use on Diego? The black one? They're all brand new. The blue one or the pink one? Which one do you want, Diego?
We gotta go with the black, Nightmare Black.
Black one's brand new. Look at that. Irving Barber Company.
Nightmare Satin Black. I love it.
Oh yeah, that one's sick, guys. Look, I'll show you how brand new it is. Look at this blade on it.
Let me see that. That's nice. What brand is it on?
Irving Barber Company.
All right.
Guys, go to Irving Barber Company if you want a sick blade. I'm just giving you a
Shout
secret.
out to Irving Barbie.
Yup.
I like it. Keep it tight.
Oh yeah, sick. So Irving Barber Company, if you guys want to send Diego razors, go to his Instagram.
Oh man, that feels good. Nothing like being on the chair.
Send him every single color that you guys have.
Y'all don't need to send me nothing, but know that you got a good barber right here that knows good style and class when it comes to a product line.
For sure.
Oh man, I have not been in a barber chair for, well, this is the first time all year, so feels good.
You're all right.
You gotta be grateful for Thomas's style of music.
Nah, make it no TJ.
Oh, the TJ.
Yeah, straight up. Shit on
Yeah.
me.
Well, sometimes I gotta throw Thomas out there every now and then.
Yeah, I was like, God damn.
I hadn't done it in 3 years.
Yeah.
Dude, I love
He's
the,
one of the real homies. His name, he knows it's really close.
bro, I love the style of the shop, bro. The vibe, it feels good in here, bro. Man, I'm so excited for you to get a big building, bro.
Yeah, that's what's coming next. Watch. Guys, Sir Men's Barber Academy. Everything I said was gonna come true. The YouTube channel
Yes,
monetized.
abundance.
Everything that I visualized and worked for is it's all manifesting.
Manifested.
Well, manifested. Still manifesting too. Growing harder even.
Growing.
It's time for me to get in the gym and start, working on the health and mind and body together.
Oh, they are one. I'm such a crazy dude that I'm gonna go to the gym probably after this.
Nice.
And my dog Duco is so good that he'll stay in the car.
I love that. My God.
He's just that good, bro. Like, I don't know how I got blessed with
I mean,
such
you
a
could
good
just
dog.
take him in there. It's like, shit.
Well, honestly, I think I got blessed, bro.
Yeah, you did.
Well, I can't take Duco into the gym, bro.
Why? Or you just, okay, I got you. Okay, you can.
You can't take Duco into the gym. Duco's like a little baby. You gotta take care of him a little
Yeah, I
bit.
feel you on that.
But he's like a mega brain baby. That when you got Duco, like, just know that dog is smart. So. Oh, bro, I like this vibe right now. You're gonna have to send me this little.
I will.
Mix.
Yeah.
I feel good on this little mix.
Yeah, it's different.
It is different. Oh, I love that you gotta work with my hair, bro, because this shit is fucking legendary hair, doggy. Because I didn't do the trim and I'm the real lion beard.
And you can have it like that.
Because I never trimmed it,
Yeah.
you know?
I like it like that.
And I like it like that
It
too.
looks great like that,
Yeah.
dude. That's what I'm saying.
And
I wouldn't change a thing. I'm just
it-
gonna hydrate your beard and comb it out. That's
You know
it.
why it looks so good like that is because no one else has it.
Yeah, it's sick, guys. His beard's fire, like without a doubt.
Oh, don't let me be a trendsetter, TJ.
Oh yeah, watch. You're gonna all do it now. Watch. You're gonna just jump on that new beard trim. I might title that video about the beard trim. You guys don't know about this beard trim. This is something different. This is the beard trim without the trim, and it's super elite. It's like a lion's mane.
It is absolutely. It's like tending the lion's mane.
It is.
See?
It just needs some hydration, and it's
You
on fire.
gotta put that on your menu. Lion's mane.
Oh, that'd be sick. Oh, yeah.
Lion's mane cleanup.
There it is. Oh yeah. For the guys that want to actually have a beard.
Lion's mane beard cleanup. Dang, bro. Making me look.
Guys, I'm gonna rock with the oil instead of the balm. This stuff's
I'm so
elite.
excited, guys.
Look at this right here. This stuff's really good. And watch, guys.
Abundance. Drip, drip. Are you getting me drippy, doggy? Don't get me drippy. Abundance. That's pretty badass that John Jones won the World Heavyweight Championship.
Yeah, that was sick. Hell yeah.
I was really happy for him.
Yeah. Absolutely.
He's doing great, man. He even gave his $50,000 bonus to his charity.
Oh, did he really?
Yeah.
Sick.
And he's
Yeah,
all,
good for him. He
And,
lived in
and you
good
know what he
spirit.
said? He's all for the city of Albuquerque. Because he didn't know they had given him the performance of the night bonus.
Oh no way.
And they were
sick.
interviewing him after, and they were telling him, "Did you know you got the performance bonus?"
Yeah.
And he's like, "Really?" He's like, "Well, I just want to say it right now. I'm going to give that bonus to the city of Albuquerque right away. All 50,000 of it."
Oh, that's
So,
sick, dude. Awesome.
I hope
for him.
that.
Shout out to John Jones.
Yeah,
Good for
shout out to
doing that.
John.
That's
Yeah,
awesome.
that's what's up, bro. That's what's up,
Oh,
homie.
Good job, sick.
Let's hope
Showing
that some
love.
positive energy gets made off of some positive energy. Oh, Juco in the house. Here, come here. Let's get Juco with his papa. Oh, Juco's boy. He's the best. What do you think of my beard? What do you think of it? What do you think? Yes? No?
Dugo's kind of pissed. He was like, God damn.
He's side-eyeing you.
He's already, he's like, Jesus Christ.
He's like, put me down. I'm gonna go eat some more hair.
All right, guys, and for the finaling out of this, because now the rest is private. You guys are gone. But here's the shear flip.
Let's get this.
Watch, let's see.